Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Prince of Persia, the Lost Crown game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam client application on your PC, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to proceed forward with your email address and your password. So just type in your credentials, and after you are logged in, you will end up within the Steam store page. Now from this page, just click on the search box and just type in Prince of Persia, the Lost Crown and start your search. Once you find the game, you will be able to see the trailer. Just scroll down and you will find the price. You can click on the Add to Cart option and then click on View My Cart in order to finalize your payment. From here you can click on Continue to Payment option and you can now choose your payment method to finalize your payment for this game. Once you have continued forward and finalized your payment method, as soon as the transaction is made, the game will be added onto your library and you will now be able to install the game. Just choose your directory and then proceed forward with installing the game, and you will now be able to play this game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Prince of Persia, the Lost Crown game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.